Hi, I'm Peter Mann with Oransi, and today we're going to talk about COPD and air purifiers and how they can help your COPD condition. Living with COPD can be challenging, but understanding your condition and your environment can make a big difference. COPD, or chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, is a group of lung diseases that block airflow and make it difficult to breathe. It affects millions worldwide and includes conditions like emphysema and chronic bronchitis. COPD is commonly caused by smoking as well as air pollution. And so for those with COPD, air quality is crucial since it can inflame your COPD condition. And common indoor air pollutants are things like dust, pet dander, VOCs or chemicals, any kind of fine particle or gas that you could breathe into your lungs that can cause inflammation is something that can trigger your COPD condition. And that's where air purifiers come in and playing a vital role in managing COPD by improving the air that you breathe at home. So exactly how do air purifiers help? Well, an air purifier is simply a device that has a fan and a series of filters in it. So it moves the air through the filters to capture the particles, so as a result, your air is cleaner. And so this is an example of one of our air filters. This is our Mod series filter. It's a 3-in-1 filter, so it has a mesh pre-filter to capture the large dust. It has HEPA to capture the fine particles. That way it's not breathed deep into your lungs. And then on the inside, we have an activated carbon layer, which helps absorb VOCs and gases, which can also exacerbate your COPD condition. And so by removing these particles from the air, air purifiers can help reduce inflammation in your airways, ease breathing difficulties, and potentially decrease frequency of COPD flare-ups. When choosing an air purifier, consider the size of your room, the type of filters, and noise levels. Look for models with HEPA filters and, if possible, activated carbon to remove odors and gases. Position your air purifier in the room where you spend most of your time. This is commonly a bedroom. And make sure that it's placed in an area where it doesn't affect the airflow. You really want the air moving through the filters and moving through the air purifier. You don't want it stuck in a corner to where it's, where the airflow in some way is blocked. You want it to be able to filter the air, in your full space where you're living. Every breath matters when you're living with COPD. By using an air purifier and following your treatment plan, you're taking important steps towards easier breathing and a better quality of life. Remember, always consult with your healthcare provider before making changes to your COPD management plan. They can provide personalized advice on whether an air purifier is right for you. Here's to breathing easier with COPD.